Hello and welcome back to Digging Life's YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. So this is just a little update on the SINOSMART 2K QLED multimedia unit. Let's see if that's going to turn on loud. Just one second. Yeah, there we go. Let's turn that off so we don't get copyright. So sorry, that was just what I was last on. So just a little update. So yeah, your steering wheel controls work. As you can just see, I just turned it down. Your park assist also works. And to turn your camera on, just press and hold your phone up button, and there we go. As you can see, you got your park assist. Let me just take the handbrake off 1 minute. See, because your park assist will only work when your handbrake's off. So you press your park assist button. Let me just think now, how am I doing it? Park assist not available. Oh, it's because the engine's not running. Hang on. It's all a learning curve to me. Right, okay, park assist. There we go, it's working now. So as you can see, you got the left hand side parking bay, right hand side parking bay if you move your indicator stick, and you got your parking bays. And obviously to adjust it, you press that for your adjustment arrows to move your parking bay up or down, or just do what I do and move your car a little bit. Don't be that lazy. So yeah, reversing to change the camera, just press that button again on your steering wheel, and you can toggle your camera. See your near side camera and your reversing camera as well, just like your original really. It's pretty straightforward. Then you press and hold it again to come back to the main screen. I think that was what a couple of people are asking about. So yeah, another little thing that I didn't mention about, and not many people mention, you can either hook your phone up to it and tether your internet through your radio like you do quite a few other new cars these days, or you can do what I've done. I've stuck a SIM card, a data only SIM card through Vodafone. So you get your data and your internet and your YouTube and all that sort of stuff just straight through without having to hook up your phone, if you know what I mean. So yeah, there's my my Netflix. That's just going straight through the SIM card. That's just going straight through the SIM card, not my phone or anything. So look, you got all your films. Oh yeah, it loads. It's all pretty quick. But yeah, it's absolutely seamless. And like I say, it's the 2K screen, this one. And you can tell the difference because there's no physical buttons here. It's just a massive screen. And like I say, if I go back to the home screen now, so you can see the buttons are down at the bottom, and those are not actual physical buttons. They're not stuck there. You can move them up the side and whatever. That's in the car settings, just there, so you can move it all around and whatever. But yeah, any more questions on the forums or on YouTube, drop us a little comment below, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you order and mention Digging Life's YouTube channel, you will get a free DAB adapter, so it can still work through your original car antenna. And if you get the sat-nav version, the sat-nav, it'll use the original car sat-nav antenna as well. So there's no window stuck antennas or an optional antenna stuck on here for your sat-nav, if you like. So it's a lot cleaner install. Yeah, like I say, mention YouTube Digging Life's channel, and that's what you'll get for free thrown in. That's if you order the 2K screen. And that's what I did, and I'm really not disappointed. It's absolutely fantastic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.